Imagine a life where you can't save, invest, or breathe financially because of a mountain of debt. This is the reality for millions who see debt relief as their only lifeline. But here's the surprising truth. Not all relief leads to release. In fact, poorly designed debt programs can sometimes deepen the very trap they meant to escape. We know relief can work wonders. Take Denmark's program, where recipients saw their income, assets, and stability grow for more than a decade. That's the ideal, deep, comprehensive help that rebuilds a person's financial foundation for good. But too often, relief is built like a short-term fix, not a long-term solution. Temporary interest cuts or repeated payment pauses offer a breath of air, yet leave the core debt untouched. They can even create a cycle of dependence, where people redefault or shuffle from one forbearance plan to the next, never truly breaking free. Even well-meaning rules can backfire. Imagine a program that hikes your payments once you earn a certain amount. Some may choose to earn less on paper just to keep help, surviving, but never thriving. The incentive becomes staying eligible, not escaping debt. And relief doesn't exist in a vacuum. If people don't trust the system, don't understand it, or see others fail under it, they won't enroll, even when it could save them thousands. Fear and confusion become their own kind of prison. So, what's the way forward? True freedom from debt requires more than erasing numbers. It requires tools for lasting recovery, financial coaching, support to rebuild credit, and help tackling the root causes, like unstable incomes or the high cost of living. Debt relief shouldn't be a revolving door. It should be an exit ramp, an off-ramp built with care, clarity, and a real plan for the road ahead. Because everyone deserves more than a lifeline. They deserve a way out, for good.